Good morning. We're going to do a quick intro to a text-to-speech voice reader that can be used for some students that may have trouble reading. The easiest one that I have found that we actually have access to is the Read Aloud through Chrome. So what I've done is actually the easiest is to come up in your search bar and just just put Google Read Aloud. It will probably be the first one that comes up. So you click on that. It's going to be part of the extensions, and just you can scroll down and look if you'd like to see what it does. It has some basic directions, but you can click Add to Chrome. It'll check. It can read and change your data, read all text spoken using synthesized speech, and you just want to add that extension. If you look up to the top, it's been added to the bar. Read aloud, and if you wanted to use it on all the computers that your student will use, then you're just going to turn on sync. If you don't, which I don't want to, you would just leave it. So basically, when you want it to read something, you just click on that. Oh, this one cannot read this website, but let's see if we do a Google Doc and see what happens. So I'm going to go to my drive. Taking a bit to load. And we will do maybe this newspaper article. Read loud.
The 8th grade Future City teams had a visit recently from their engineering mentor, Miss Beatrice Ruth Cooper. She is an aerospace engineer that currently works at Cherry Point.
So there you go. It has a little bit of faults in that some websites it's not able to read. So you're just going to have to play with that and see if it's worth the time, if it's something that on the websites or programs that you work with. But I think it's a valuable tool when it comes to reading a Google Doc or a lot of the websites that I've used in STEM, that it's able to be read aloud as well. So it's a nice simple fix. And if you have any questions or like some help with it, as always, I'm right here to help you. Thanks so much.